Here's a little time step I wanted to share with my beginners. It's totally accessible. All you need is your stamps, your cramp rolls and your paddle and roll. Let me show it to you first and then we'll break it down. Okay, so it has kind of, like when I made it, I had it in my mind like an Afro-Cuban clave. So the feeling of it that I imagined was, how are you? I'm fine. Okay, that's what I've got in my mind. So yeah, let's break it down. You've got 2 stamps and a cramp roll to begin. So you get, we're going to do it in, it has a 16th note feel underneath. So you get 1 E and a 2 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E. Try again. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E. So you've got 2 stamps and your cramp roll. Starting on the right. Right, left, right, left. 1, 2, 3, and. Again. Yeah, so you get, how are you? I'm fine. 1, 2, 3, and. 1, 2, 3, and. Let's go a little bit slower. 1, 2, 3, and. How are you? I'm fine. 1, 2, 3, and. Stamp, stamp, cramp, roll, stamp, stamp. Good, let's move on. So you've done, how are you? I'm fine. 1, paddle, step, step, paddle, step, step. Feels like a ball change onto this leg. So step onto your right. You've got the beginning of your paddle and roll, sorry, paddle, and then we're going to do a ball change. Step, step. We're going to finish on this leg. So I get 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Ba dee dee da da dee dee da da. Let's try again. Step, paddle, step. Yeah. So from the top we get 1, a 2 and a 3 and 4. 1 and a 2 and 3 E and 4. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, and that's your 2 bars. Remember your time step is 3 lots of 2 bars and 2 bar break. So you need to do it 3 times and then we'll do the break. So the second time through it's going to start on the other leg. 1, 2, 3, 4. You get 1. Good. 1. Good. And then your break, you're going to be on your left leg. You're going to get, how are you? So you've got stamp, stamp, step, and then 2 paddle and rolls. How are you? How are you? Paddle, stamp. So the first time you've got 2 paddle and rolls. Stamp, stamp, step, paddle, roll, paddle, roll. You do it again. Stamp, stamp, step. Then you've got 1 paddle and roll and a stamp. All of them transfer weight. So you get, this is your break. 1, 2, 3, 4. How are you? Paddle and roll. How are you? Paddle and roll. Stop. One more time. 1, 2. A bit slower, sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4. How are you? Paddle and roll. How are you? Let's try the whole thing really slow. 2, 3, 4. Break. How are you? How are you? And that's it. One more time, a little bit faster. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4. Alright, that's it. Keep practicing, send me a video. I'd love to see your work.